Hi guys, how do we solve this fourth degree equation? T minus 4 to the power of 4 minus t to the power of 4 is equal to 0. We want to find the value of t. Solution: t minus 4 to the power of 4 could be written as t minus 4 all squared times 2 minus t to the power of 4 also could be written as t squared times 2 equal to 0. Let's continue. Recall that a square minus b square is equal to a minus b times a plus b. Take note of this identity. Applying this identity to this guy, you will notice that our a is t minus 4 all square and our b is t square. This implies that we have, what is a? A is t minus 4 all square, t minus 4 all square minus, what is b? B is t square, close the bracket, times a is t minus 4 all square, t minus 4 all square plus b is t square, close the bracket, everything equal to 0. This implies that if you expand t minus 4 all square very well, you're gonna have t square minus 8t plus 16 minus t square times expanding t minus 4 all square also, again we have what we got here, t square minus 8t plus 16 plus t square, everything equal to 0. Let's proceed further. This implies that clearly t square minus t square, that goes off, we are left with 16 minus 8t times t square plus t square, that is 2t square minus 8t plus 16 equal to 0. Let's continue. This implies that 16 minus 8t is equal to 0, or 2t square minus 8t plus 16 is equal to 0. Clearly from this line, 16 is equal to 8t. Let's divide both sides by 8. 8 cancels 8. We are left with t equal to 8 in 8, 1. 8 in 16, that is 2. So we have 2 divided by 1, which is 2. This is the value of t. Now, let us consider this quadratic equation. We can divide both sides by 2. So divide through by 2. Doing that, we have 2t square divided by 2 minus 8t divided by 2 plus 16 divided by 2 equal to 0 divided by 2. 2 cancels 2. We have t square minus 2 here 1, 2 in 8, that is 4. So we have 4t plus 2 in 2, 1, 2 in 16, that is 8. We are left with 8 equal to 0 divided by 2, that is simply 0. Let's continue. This is a quadratic equation and we can solve it using quadratic formula, which is t equal to minus b plus or minus square root of b square minus 4ac all divided by 2a. From this equation, a is equals to 1, b equal to negative 4, c equal to 8. Let's continue. T equal to minus, what is b? B is minus 4. Minus 4 plus or minus square root of b square, that will be minus 4 all square minus 4 into, what is the value of A? A is 1 and C is 8. So we have into 1 into 8 divided by 2 into, what is A? A is equals to 1. Let's continue. T equal to minus times minus 4, 4 plus or minus square root of minus 4 all square, that is 16, minus 4 times 1 times 8, that is 32, divided by 2 times 1, we have 2. T equal to 4 plus or minus square root of 16 minus 32, that is negative 16, divided by 2. T equal to 4 plus or minus square root of minus 16 could be written as square root of 16 times square root of negative 1 divided by 2. T equal to 4 plus or minus, what is square root of 16? That is 4. And don't forget, from the complex number, square root of minus 1 is equals to I. So we have I here divided by 2. T equal to, from this numerator, we can factor out 2. So that will be 2 into 2 plus or minus 2I divided by 2. T is equal to, clearly, 2 cancels 2. We are left with 2 plus or minus 2I. This implies that T is either equal to 2 plus 2I or T equal to 2 minus 2I. Therefore, all the answers that we have for the Greek equations are T equal to 2, that's the first solution. Let's call it T1. And T equal to 2 plus 2I. Let's call it T2. And T equal to 2 minus 2I. Let's call it T3. This is the required solution for the Greek equation. That's it. Thanks for watching.